Hey guys, Mark Lilley here with LilleyPadPools. Today I wanted to show you what I keep in my professional pool guy test kit. First off, I like to start with the Taylor test kit, the K2005C Service Complete. This is going to be the larger of the Taylor test kits. They have the 2-ounce reagents instead of the 0.75. And then also I prefer the liquid DPD over using a powder. And so let's open her up and take a look inside. So I've got a lot going on in here. I've got your standard Taylor reagents, and then I've got some extra stuff. I like to keep a phosphate test strip kit. So you use this and this together. I keep a super cheap TDS meter so I can get a basic idea of what's going on there. And then usually I'll carry either a nitrate or like a copper, or if I'm feeling salt test strips. And then those are some things that I can keep here in this spot, and I just kind of arrange it in this fashion so that I can fit all of that stuff in there. From the factory, I think they come much more spread out here, kind of like that. And I like to keep them a little closer together so I can squeeze a little more in there. That's my basic test kit. I also like the Aquacheck 7 test strips. The biggest downside, and a lot of pool guys will fight over whether these are good or not, the biggest downside I see is you've got this range here, let's see if you can see that, of 7.2 to 7.8, and so if you are balancing your pool on the Langolier saturation index, if you change the pH between 7.2 and 7.8, you're going to get a very different number, and so it's difficult to find perfect accuracy with these, mostly because of the pH. Also, if you're running a commercial pool, as of the filming of this, I don't know of any commercial or any state that'll let commercial pools use test strips, so you definitely want to have, if you're commercial, you want to have either a Taylor test kit or something like a digital test kit. So that's a tour of my test kit. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do like it and you want more videos like this, feel free to subscribe, and let me know if you have any other things that you would be interested in seeing from a professional pool guy. I like to do demos of my different tools, pool tricks, tips, all that kind of stuff. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I'm also going to start doing some how-to on repairing pool sweeps and other pool related things like that. If you have something specific that you need fixed, feel free to, down in the comments, go ahead and post that, and I can see if I can get something together for you. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time.